Last year, the word was transformation, the shift from old ways to new. But 2025 is different. The tools are here. The AI is live. The pressure is real. Now, the question is no longer can we change? It is can we make all this change work together? Across this year's research, one pattern keeps repeating. Project managers are drowning in complexity. Multiple tools, hybrid teams, sustainability targets, regulatory demands, and Gen AI everywhere. And yet, the most successful organizations have something in common. They are not just transforming, they are conducting. They treat AI, agile practices, data sustainability, and human skills as sections of one project orchestra, each powerful alone but unstoppable together. So, what should be the word of the year? Many words could have claimed 2025. AI, everywhere, but ultimately just one section of the orchestra. Agility, still critical, but one of the several capabilities to be integrated. Sustainability, the defining challenge, but powerless without data, AI, and execution working in sync. Hybrid, the way projects are managed today, yet only one movement in the bigger score. Integration, close but too mechanical. It connects, it doesn't lead. Each is important, but none is enough on its own because the research is clear. Real value appears when project leaders connect the dots, when they link AI insights to agile ways of working, when they link talent development to sustainability matrix and to strategic decision making. That is more than transformation. That is design. That is intent. That is control in the middle of chaos. So for 2025, the PMC Lounge Project Management Word of the Year is orchestration. Because from here onwards, the project leaders stop playing the individual notes and start conducting the whole performance. So, orchestration is PMC Lounge Project Management Word of the Year 2025. Happy holidays, everyone. What do you think about orchestration becoming the PMC Lounge 2025 Project Management Word of the Year? We have a report that details our reasoning and research as to why we selected this word. That report will be linked in the description below. It's visual and very brief, so it is an easy read. Also, let us know what has been your project management word of the year 2025. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Happy holidays again.